Pam is a potter. Nice. I don't know how much she makes potter. Okay. That can be hobby, but not the mainstream. Don't get confused between the hobby and the profession. Those are two different things. Okay. So if you're lucky, your hobby becomes the profession, like sports players. They like the sports. That ends up being the profession. They're lucky. But what is the percentage of ratio? The ratio, right? It's very, very low, right? 1 in 10 million or 1 in 50 million, something like that, right? So yeah, hobby is different. So don't get confused. When parents ask, I like to paint. Okay. That cannot be your undergrad major. Okay. Profession is different and the hobby is different. Okay. Now, Pam is a potter who sells vases she creates to call. Okay. Yeah. To call. Who then sells them in his crafts boutique. Nice. Okay. Crafts boutique for 60% more than he pays Pam for them. Very tricky lady, huh? So let's say Carl pays her X dollars, okay? But then how much she labels those items in the boutique? 60% more, correct? That means 1.6x. Got that, everyone? Of course, she has to make profit, right? She has to pay bills. Yeah. To attract customers into his store over the July 4th weekend, which is coming, Carl runs a special sale on Pam's vases, selling them for a 20% less than. So this is the regular price. And what is the sale price, Amma? 20% less than he pays her for them. That means 20% less off of this amount, correct? What do you multiply X with when it is 20% less? 0.8. Got that, everyone? Don't forget the percentage shortcuts. There's the reason why I spent so much time. Everybody okay with that, Amma? Right? So this is the sale price. And this is the regular price. Obviously, by looking at it, can't you figure out like what is going on? Isn't it double? Like, isn't this half of the regular price? That means what is the discount? What is the discount? Exactly. You're done. A customer who buys one of these vases during the sale is receiving a discount of what percent of Carl's normal selling price? Isn't it exactly half of that? That means what discount? 50% off.